At Kenneth Shuler, I was able to find the beauty beyond degrees. My name is Elizabeth Richardson. I am the owner of Elizabeth's Aesthetics, and I am a graduate of Kenneth Shuler. I was highly encouraged to do the traditional college route, and I just found out it was not for me, and finally I decided to follow my passion, and that's what brought me to Kenneth Shuler. My time at Kenneth Shuler truly brought me out of my shell. They put you right into an environment of a clinical setting, so you're forced to kind of talk with people and become more of a people person than you normally would. One thing that I loved about Kenneth Shuler was not only did we have the classroom setting of it, but we got to get really hands-on in the clinical side of it, and that's really helpful. My time at Kenneth Shuler not only helped me with my skills of becoming an esthetician, but it also helped me mold into a business owner. So Prosper U is a business training program that we received from Kenneth Shuler. It helped me with a lot with marketing, retaining clients, and all of the business side of it. I turned my passion into a career, and now I own a successful spa. The training I received gave me the confidence and skills to excel. Traditional college isn't for everyone, and that's okay. It wasn't for me, but it brought me to this very successful career field. If you're considering cosmetology school, I highly suggest it. I would reach out and call and get all the information you can.